this video, we'll be looking at the ranking page found in our lesson pages under the Lesson Activity Toolkit. Let's have a look, see where we find it. If I was to click on the Gallery tab, and then click on Lesson Activity Toolkit, then click on Lesson Pages, I go down to Ranking. When I click on that, it would open 6 different colored pages for my ranking page. I could simply add that by double-clicking or dragging it in. Let's have a look at the example they've given us to understand how this ranking page works. Here they've given you a question and a ranking scale from most important to least important. And the students need to come up and arrange the words or the phrases or the sentences in ranking order from least important to most important or most important to least important. Students will come up and simply drag the statements into the order that they think works. Remember, this is not a flash object, so there's no instant feedback. The teachers and students would need to go through that by asking them, is this correct? Can we discuss it? And so forth. There's no instant feedback. Let's have a look at how we would create this. Here we have the blank template, which we can now manipulate. Our heading, we can double click on that, drag, backspace, and change that to the title you want to use. And then we have our labels that fit onto the table that's already done. And the labels are the ones that we need to go change. They have infinite cloned the original label. What you would need to do is go and select how many different labels are going to fit into this page, take them out, and then go and edit them. And you edit them by double clicking on the word, again highlighting it all or backspacing, and typing in the word, expression, or even the sentence that you're going to use for this. You need to then go and either line them all up, like in our previous example, or what you could do is go and put them all on top of each other so that the students get to see one. This is slightly more difficult because they only get to see one and can't rank it. But what this does allow for us to do is discussion. So we can take one, see where it goes. Once we put it on there, we've exposed to the next one and they can discuss this. You do need to remember to get rid of the infinite cloner for the last label, or if you've made enough labels, you need to go and delete it. So you deselect infinite cloner and then you delete it. Thank you for watching this video, brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.